Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you what is the difference between BullX and BullX Neo. So first is the user interface and experience. BullX provides a straightforward interface with basic token analytics, standard wallet tracking, and manual trading tools. It supports single chart monitoring and offers simple transaction tracking. For BullX Neo introduces an advanced customizable interface with features like multi-chart views, automated trading strategies, and enhanced wallet tracking. The Neo Vision feature offers real-time market insights including insider holdings and sniper activity directly on the homepage. Next is the trading features. For BullX, it offers basic manual trading tools with present options for buying and selling tokens. It lacks advanced automation and real-time analytics. For BullX Neo, enhances trading with automated strategies including multiple take-profit targets and dollar cost averaging DCA for gradual position entries and exit. It also provides real-time alerts for specific wallets and live updates on Solana bribe fees, allowing for optimized transaction costs. Next is for the wallet tracking and analytics. BullX allows users to view wallet balances and recent trades but lacks advanced tracking and performance analytic tools or analysis tools. For BullX Neo, introduces comprehensive wallet tracking with performance analysis, enabling users to monitor any wallet and view detailed profit and loss statistics. It also offers a portfolio analyzer to track profit and loss across multiple timeframes. Next is for fee structure. For BullX, charges a trading fee of 0.9% per transaction with a referral link, and additional fees for non-migrated pump fund tokens. User can set priority and bribe fees to speed up transactions. For BullX Neo, increases the trading fee to 1% per transaction, 0.9% with a referral link, and maintains the additional fee for non-migrated pump. It offers advanced fee customization including live bribe fee updates and dynamic fee adjustments based on network congestion. Next is the performance and speed. BullX provides reliable trading execution but lacks real-time processing optimization and automation tools. Transaction speed depends on Solana, network congestion, and manual fee adjustments are required to speed up transactions. For BullX Neo, it optimizes transaction execution speed with real-time data tracking and automated trading strategies. It offers lightning fast transactions with efficient priority fee adjustments and live bribe fee tracking. Lastly is for the security measures. For BullX, it employs standard security features, including non-custodial trading and encrypted API integrations. Users connect their wallet via Phantom or Solfair. For BullX Neo, it enhances security with smart contract monitoring to detect and avoid rug pulls, on-chain transaction analysis to prevent sniper bots and insider dumps, and real-time wallet tracking with alerts. It also offers advanced wallet permissions to protect funds. And that's basically it.